Hello, what's up mga lods? Kumakain ba kayo nito? So, yummy this one. Mega sardines ng North America. Tapos itlog. This is so yummy, ha? Sardines, this is good for your heart. It's a good food. So, yun ang construction dati, mga snow yan dyan. Wala na, nagme-melt na yung snow. But now it's very cold outside. There you go. See? So guys, this is another day. Pataas na ng pataas ang mga bilihin. So ito, mega sardines, masustansya, mura lang, $1.50 yan dito each. So that's good. And then the gas is so expensive. Everything is expensive. Sana titigil na tong gulo sa Middle East. Magiging magkaisa ang lahat. But for me, I don't think so. Kasi tataas parang pataas ang mga bilihin talaga niyan. Dahil yun, ang gera. Matagal. May gera pa sa Russia. Hindi pa rin tapos. So we hope so guys na magkaano tayong lahat. Magkaisa and be safe.